Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to lesson 3 this is of learning the Arabic alphabet. So far we've covered these 4 letters. We've talked about the sound when you have the fatha on them, which is a, ba, ta, tha. We've talked about the kasra sound where there's a little line under each letter which gives it the sound of e, b, d and thi. And today we're going to be talking about the third and final sound that's produced with the vowels, and that is with this symbol. Okay, so this symbol, which looks like a golf club that's upside down, this symbol above each letter. Okay, so with this symbol you pronounce it as u, u. Okay, u. Bu, bu, tu. Remember this boat with the 2 dots look like a teeth. So tu. And thu, the 3 dots. Thu. U, bu, tu, thu. Okay, so let's have a go at merging a few of the letters together then. So let's say we have okay, let's say we have this. So let's say it's 2 dots there. It's going to be this one here. And let's say there's okay, and 1 dot there. Right, so tu, thu, bu. Tu, thu, bu. Okay, let's remove those. Okay, and let's remove the symbols as well. Let's try a new combination. So let's try. Okay, this, how would we pronounce this? We'd say tu, bu, tu. Tu, bu, and tu. Tu, bu, tu. Okay, let's have a go at merging what we've learned so far in the past 3 lessons. So this time we have, let's say, that symbol there, we have this symbol here, and we have this symbol here. Okay, so how are we going to pronounce these? So this is going to be ta, this one's going to be bi, and this one's going to be tu. Ta, bi, tu. Ta, bi, tu. So ta, bi, tu. Okay, let's have another go, and this time let's try another combination. So okay, let's try this. So this would be ti, bi, tu. Ti, bi, tu. Ti, bi, tu. Okay, let's try another combination then, and this time let's change a few of the letters as well. So let's try this. This is a 3 1, remember. This is single dot underneath. And okay, let's have a go at this. So tha, bu, i. Tha, bu, i. So in this lesson we've learnt about this symbol here and the sound that this vowel gives. This is actually known as a dhamma. Dhamma. Again, it's not necessary to learn the terms, however the concept is very important. So this letter here can be pronounced in 3 ways. If it has a fatha, we say a, kasra I, dhamma u. A, I, u. Ba, bi, bu. Ta, ti, tu, tha, thi, thu. Hope that makes sense. If you have any comments, any suggestions, please leave them in the comments below and subscribe to the channel. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.